Welcome back, guys. With Canva, we learned how to create brand designs and we did different mockups for it. So, with Canva, you can create cohesive brand identities for small businesses and startups in your locality. What you are going to do as a brand designer, you're going to create logos, and I did that for you. You're going to create business cards, and you're going to create letterheads. So, all you have to do is to create a branding guidelines and color scheme. Let your colors be consistent. Then you brand social media posters and banners for different brands. So that's brand marketing, and that's what it's all about. That's what brand design is all about. So all you have to do is to learn how to market yourself. So you have to approach local businesses and pitch your services. Use social media to showcase branded projects. Offer affordable brand packages to attract small businesses. So all you have to do is you have to create a different brand designs. We did something like that actually. If you open my PNs, you'll see that there's something like that, and you'll be able to create different brand designs. Remember that we did a portfolio, so you have to create small portfolio that will talk about your designs. So this is an example of a brand design, and you could go on to pitch clients, pitch local clients, help them design logos at a cheaper rate. Design depends on the locality you are. So this is an example of a brand design. This one we created on our mobile phone. This is an example of a brand design. We have the letterhead, we have the mock-up for shirt and tote bag, and we have the mock-up for laptop, mock-up for shirt, and we have the screen mock-up. So we have different mock-ups that this suggests a brand design. We have a jotter mockup, and we have the business card mockup. We have a cup mockup. So you could create more designs that would improve your portfolio. So you have different designs, varieties of design in your portfolio. These are things you're going to show local businesses, and by showing them that, you could start creating different brand design for them. So the concept of brand design is very simple, and we'll be able to create that in this course. So you have no fear at all. So you could go on to create brand design, which is the process of creating brand's visual identity by developing a unified system of design elements, which includes the logo, the colors, the typography, the illustration, the photography. Everything you need to do as a brand designer has been taught in this course, and you have to offer cheaper services by using your phone and using your Canva app. So you could go ahead to pitch local clients, go to businesses around you, most especially businesses that don't have social presence and don't have logos and all these things. So you could create one for them, create social presence for them, be their social media manager, and do a whole lot with what you've learned through this course. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.